Yes, we are gonna go see some Lamborghinis in a little bit. Ooh, my glasses. They're always falling. But I want to show you guys here at Target some really cool stuff that I found. 720S, Lamborghini Aventador in this cool color. Look at that, that's so cool. Also saw another Aventador SV, a Veneno, a Huracan Performante, a Centenario. That is nice. Like in Hyperspec, all these little cool cars here. Look at this. That's cool. They have this one from Fast and the Furious. Look at this. Jesse's car, man. The Jetta. Anyways, let's go see some real Lamborghinis. All right, guys. So we're here at ABT Electronics in Glenville, Illinois. And they have this show from Lamborghini in Downers Grove. And they have this beautiful Lamborghini Revuelto. An orange one. Oh, my God. So gorgeous. And they also have this Lamborghini Sterrato in this gorgeous blue. Since I'm a Lamborghini fanatic. What's the color of that car? What about this Urus? Look at that Urus, and I'm getting the Revuelto. There's so many Lamborghinis today here at ABT Electronics. They do an event here, and all the Lambo fans and Lambo owners came out. Oh, there's a McLaren over there, actually, and Supras, and of course BMWs. Now let's go for a ride. Well, we got a pretty packed house today, guys, here at Cold Brew Cars and Coffee, and a lot of amazing cars. hopefully you guys like the car that we saw today. Really unique cars out here in Chicago. Hopefully you guys like the car spotting we saw today. A lot of amazing cars. Lamborghini, we saw an Aventador. Actually 2 Aventadors. A couple of Huracans, 458s. Some Audi R8s like this beautiful orange one right here. More Ferraris. A beautiful Bugatti and a 918 Spider.